An Israeli government ministry has drafted a wartime proposal to transfer the Gaza Strip's 2.3 million people to Egypt's Sinai Peninsula, drawing condemnation from the Palestinians and worsening tensions with Cairo. Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu's office played down the report compiled by the Intelligence Ministry as a hypothetical exercise, a concept paper. But its conclusions deepened long-standing Egyptian fears that Israel wants to turn Gaza into Egypt's problem, and revived for Palestinians memories of their greatest trauma, the uprooting of hundreds of thousands of people who fled or were forced from their homes during the fighting surrounding Israel's creation in 1948. We are against transfer to any place, in any form, and we consider it a red line that we will not allow to be crossed, Nabil Abu Rudaina, spokesman for Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas, said of the report. What happened in 1948 will not be allowed to happen again. A mass displacement, Rudaina said, would be tantamount to declaring a new war. The Israeli document is dated October 13, 6 days after Hamas militants killed more than 1,400 people in southern Israel and took over 240 hostage in an attack that provoked a devastating Israeli war in Gaza. It was first published by Sitcha Mekamit, a local news site. In its report, the Intelligence Ministry, a junior ministry that conducts research but does not set policy, offered 3 alternatives to effect a significant change in the civilian reality in the Gaza Strip in light of the Hamas crimes that led to the Sword of Iron War. The document's authors deem this alternative to be the most desirable for Israel's security.